Chef Moon wears a big white hat, stirring up this and stirring up that. In a giant frying pan, catch a comet if you can. Pour the milk from the Milky Way, splash it around and shout hooray! Whisk it fast and whisk it slow, watch the cosmic bubbles grow. Asteroids are tumbling down, crunchy, munchy, round and brown. Chop them up and toss them in, let the cosmic feast begin. Saturn spins its golden rings, listen to the song it sings. Shake a little glitter spice, it smells so extra nice. Stir the soup and bake the pie, cooking up in the deep blue sky. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, space food is a special treat. Planet Mars is red and round, rolling all across the ground. Is it a tomato? Is it a ball? It's the biggest veggie of them all. Shooting stars go zipping by, noodles stretching through the sky. Twirl them on a giant fork, bounce around just like a cork. Glug, 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 the pot is hot. Look at what the kitchen got. Look at what the kitchen got. Big purple bubbles start to rise. Pop goes one and pop goes two, flying over me and you. Pop them high and pop them low. Here we go. Stir the soup and bake the pie, cooking up in the deep blue sky. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, space food is a special treat. Jupiter is big and wide, with a stormy swirl inside. Wibble wobble jelly sweet, wiggle waggle to the beat. Pour the tea from Neptune's cup, drink the glowing bubbles up. It changes color, green to blue, made especially for you. Floating forks and flying spoons, dancing to the happy tunes. Line them up and sit right down, best kitchen in the town. Take a bite and take a chew, tastes like starlight, fresh and new. Yum, 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 it's super grand, sweetest food in all the land. Space food is a special treat, now our bellies are so full. Feel the gravity start to pull, spaceships coming back to you. Shh, it's time to sleep. Feel the gravity start to pull, spaceships coming back to you. Shh, don't forget to like. Feel the gravity start to pull, and subscribe.